The deep sea, a place of perpetual darkness. It is a world of immense pressure. Sunlight fades away as we descend. The weight of the water above increases dramatically. Creatures that live here are very special. They are not found anywhere else on Earth. This is because of the harsh conditions. Life in the deep sea is a constant struggle against the elements. Imagine a world without sunlight. A world where the pressure could crush a submarine. This is the reality of the deep sea. Yet life finds a way. In this alien world, animals have evolved amazing adaptations. These adaptations allow them to thrive in the deep. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating realm together. As we go deeper into the ocean, the weight of the water above us increases. This weight is called pressure. Every 33 feet or 10 meters of depth adds another atmosphere of pressure. In the deepest parts of the ocean, the pressure is immense. It is like having several elephants standing on your big toe. This extreme pressure can crush almost anything. So how do deep-sea creatures survive? They have special adaptations that allow them to withstand these crushing forces. Their bodies are built differently. Their bones are more flexible. Their tissues contain more water. These adaptations help them to equalize the pressure inside and outside their bodies. Deep-sea creatures have evolved a variety of adaptations to survive the extreme pressure. The deep ocean is one of the most challenging environments on Earth, with crushing pressures, frigid temperatures, and complete darkness. Yet, life thrives here, thanks to remarkable evolutionary changes. One important adaptation is their body shape. The streamlined bodies of many deep-sea fish are not just for show. This sleek design minimizes drag, allowing them to glide effortlessly through the water, conserving energy in an environment where food can be scarce. Many deep-sea fish have a streamlined body. This helps them move through the water with less resistance. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it enables them to escape predators and catch prey more efficiently. Some creatures, like the anglerfish, have a more rounded shape. This helps them to distribute pressure evenly. The anglerfish's unique body shape also aids in its hunting strategy, allowing it to remain motionless and conserve energy while waiting for unsuspecting prey to come close. Another adaptation is their lack of air spaces. In the deep sea, the immense pressure would collapse any air-filled cavities, so these creatures have evolved to do without them. Most fish that live closer to the surface have swim bladders. These are gas-filled sacs that help them control their buoyancy. By adjusting the amount of gas in their swim bladders, these fish can move up and down in the water column with ease. Deep-sea fish generally lack swim bladders. This is because the pressure would crush these air-filled sacs. Instead, they have developed other means to maintain their buoyancy and position in the water. Instead, they rely on other adaptations, such as their body composition, to maintain their position in the water column. Their bodies are often filled with water and gelatinous substances, which are incompressible and help them withstand the extreme pressures of their environment. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible resilience and ingenuity of life in the deep sea. One of the key principles that helps deep-sea creatures survive is the concept of fluid pressure. This pressure is a force exerted by the fluid, in this case water, on any surface in contact with it. The deeper you go, the greater the pressure becomes. Fluid pressure acts equally in all directions. This means that the pressure is not just pushing down from above, but also from the sides and even from below. It's a uniform force that can have significant effects on anything submerged in water. For a deep-sea creature, this means the pressure inside their body needs to match the pressure outside. If the internal pressure doesn't match the external pressure, the creature could be crushed or suffer other physical damage. This is called being equalized. Equalization is crucial for survival in such extreme environments. Without it, the immense pressure would be too much for their bodies to handle. Creatures that live in the deep sea have adapted to have bodies that are very good at this. Their bodies are often more flexible and lack large air-filled cavities that would be vulnerable to pressure changes. They don't have large air pockets that would compress under pressure. Think of a balloon. A balloon filled with air will compress and eventually burst as it goes deeper underwater. If you take a balloon deep underwater, the pressure will crush it. This is because the air inside the balloon is compressible and cannot withstand the external pressure. But if you fill the balloon with water instead of air, it won't be crushed. Water is incompressible, meaning it doesn't change volume under pressure. This is because the water inside the balloon will push back against the water outside. This balance of forces is what keeps the balloon intact. and it's a similar principle that allows deep-sea creatures to survive in such high-pressure environments. The blobfish is a perfect example of how deep-sea creatures have adapted to their environment. This fish lives at depths where the pressure is over 100 times greater than at the surface. The blobfish has a very unusual adaptation. Its body is mostly made of a gelatinous substance. This substance is slightly denser than water. This jelly-like body allows the blobfish to maintain neutral buoyancy. It can float effortlessly above the seafloor without expending much energy. The blobfish's muscles are also very weak, but it doesn't need strong muscles in the deep sea. It simply floats along, waiting for its next meal to drift by. The deep sea is also home to some of the largest creatures on Earth. Giant squid, for example, can grow to be over 40 feet long. Scientists believe that the cold, stable temperatures of the deep sea may play a role in gigantism. Colder temperatures can slow down an animal's metabolism, allowing it to grow larger. Additionally, the vastness of the deep sea provides ample space for these creatures to thrive without facing the same limitations as their shallow water counterparts. The giant squid is a testament to the incredible adaptations that life can develop in the face of extreme environments. In the absence of sunlight, many deep-sea creatures have developed the ability to create their own light through bioluminescence. This is a chemical reaction within an organism that produces light. Bioluminescence serves a variety of purposes in the deep sea. It can be used to attract prey, like the anglerfish's glowing lure. It can also be used to communicate with other creatures or to startle and confuse predators. Imagine a sudden burst of light in the pitch-black depths. This is the reality for many deep-sea creatures. Bioluminescence is just one example of the amazing adaptations that make life possible in this challenging environment. Section 8. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the Earth's oceans. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, it is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust. It plunges to a depth of almost 7 miles or 11 kilometers. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were placed inside the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. This immense pressure is equivalent to the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a person. Despite the extreme conditions, life exists even here. The trench is home to some of the most unique and resilient organisms on the planet. Scientists have discovered a variety of creatures living in the Mariana Trench, including amphipods, sea cucumbers, and even fish. These creatures have adapted to survive in complete darkness and under crushing pressure. These discoveries highlight the incredible resilience of life and its ability to adapt to even the most challenging environments. The adaptations of these creatures provide valuable insights into the limits of life on Earth. The Mariana Trench is a reminder that there is still much to be discovered in the depths of our oceans. Each expedition to this remote part of the world brings new findings and deepens our understanding of the ocean's mysteries. As technology advances, we are able to explore these extreme environments more thoroughly, revealing the secrets of the deep and expanding our knowledge of the natural world. The exploration of the Mariana Trench not only pushes the boundaries of science but also inspires a sense of wonder and curiosity about the unknown. It reminds us of the vastness and complexity of our planet's oceans. The deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, continues to be a focal point for scientific research and discovery, offering a glimpse into the hidden depths of our world. Section 9. Hydrothermal Vents, Oases of Life in the Abyss. Another fascinating aspect of the deep sea is the presence of hydrothermal vents. These are fissures in the ocean floor that release geothermally heated water. Hydrothermal vents create unique ecosystems. They are teeming with life that is not dependent on sunlight. Instead of photosynthesis, these ecosystems rely on chemosynthesis. Bacteria near hydrothermal vents use chemicals from the vents to create energy. This process forms the base of the food chain in these ecosystems. Hydrothermal vents are a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. They show us that life can exist even in the most unexpected places. Section 10. The Deep Sea, still full of mysteries. Despite advances in technology, the deep sea remains one of the most unexplored environments on Earth. We have only scratched the surface of understanding the creatures that live there and the adaptations they have developed. Every expedition into the deep sea reveals new species and new insights into the wonders of our planet. It is a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about the natural world. The deep sea holds many secrets waiting to be unlocked. By continuing to explore and study this unique environment, we can gain a greater appreciation for the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Section 11. Protecting our oceans and their hidden wonders. As we learn more about the deep sea and its inhabitants, it is crucial that we also recognize the importance of protecting this fragile environment. Pollution, climate change, and deep-sea mining all pose threats to the delicate balance of life in these unique ecosystems. By raising awareness about the importance of ocean conservation, we can all play a role in ensuring that the wonders of the deep sea continue to inspire future generations. Let's work together to protect our oceans and the incredible creatures that call them home.